Hello everyone. Once again, this is Darshana Nikham Deshmukh. And yes, welcome to Mission Global Empowerment. And friend, first of all, before going forward, thank you so much each and everyone for all your love, care, supports, and lots of blessings. And yes, as usual, as आपल्या सोबत, today once again we have wonderful guest with us. What can I say about her? She's a spectacular lady. She's a dynamic, she's, cosmetologist. She's a doctor. She's MD in skin. She's an author. She's a writer, and she's an entrepreneur. So friends, without further delay, please put your hands together and help me welcome to Dr. Smitha Sakote to the Mission Global Empowerment. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, namaste. Thank you so much for the beautiful welcome and thank you for giving me an opportunity on your platform, Mission Global Empowerment, Darshana. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. तुम्ही इथे येणं म्हणजे आमचं भाग्य आहे. आय थिंक मॅम, a lot of people multiple time asking me, Darshana, why you not making any session about the beauty, skin and health. I think and God really graced to our prayer, and yes, fortunately I met you, and yes, it's our we are fortunate to today invite you on this platform. And ma'am, please stage over to you. We love to hear from you. Please introduce yourself. आणि सगळ्या माझ्या मैत्रिणींनाही तुमच्याबद्दल ऐकायला नक्कीच आवडेल मॅम. प्लीज गो हेड.
Yes, I'm Dr. Smitha Sakote. I'm basically a MD skin dermatologist, cosmetic dermatologist. I have been working as a professor. I am a medical school teacher since last 24 years. I have been on the University of Health Sciences as a board of study member. I have trained more than 50,000 MBBS students, and right now I have 6 postgraduate students under me. I've seen more than 3 lakh patients. I've given service to government medical college hospital for almost 14 years of my life. So that is my journey about my profession. And in regards to my personal, I'm a single mother. I have a beautiful grown-up teenage daughter by name Richa, who is doing her BSc Beauty Wellness, walking on the same path of beauty. So mom and daughter launching ourselves on this journey of beauty. So beauty always fascinates me. I actually had got a MD gynecology post, but I refused that post-graduation because something always fascinated me was beauty. Those days, beauty wasn't considered, or MD skin wasn't so important. But deep in my heart, I always felt when you connect beauty with science, and now at this stage of my life, I connect beauty with science, with mind, with soul. So that whole level of beauty perspective has totally changed me within out. And that's how my journey is full of passion. I love making people look beautiful. So that's my passion. That's my, I love that. So actually, I would say I don't go to work. I go to fulfill my passion and my dream.
Wow, superb, ma'am. Superb. You have a really great experience and, amazing journey. So ma'am, before going forward, I want to ask you, right? Because as you spoken, right, like beauty is your passion. But sometimes, what I feel personally, ma'am, basically in terms of ladies, right? They didn't understand their passion. Sometimes they worry about society, what society can say about them if they choose in, like in beauty career, or might be, if you see before few days few before few years ago, if you see, right, sometimes people are not giving that dignity to profession regards to beauty and the skincare, because they are thinking like it's kind of makeup and it's not our cup of tea, right? That's how the people are growing in our society. So I want to understand from you, ma'am, like how you choose this profession, what's motivates to you, to come in the beauty section and skincare, and to help many women in terms of beauty and health.
Basically, I feel every woman is very beautiful. You just देखने वालों की नजरियों क्या बात है. You know, if you have those eyes, beautiful eyes, you can see the beauty in every genuine, every woman. For me, a lady who is selling vegetables in the vegetable market also looks magnificently beautiful with a huge bindi, you know, in India, and a pallu clad lady, dokyavar pallu asel, and she looks magnificently beautiful to me. She has not worn any makeup or any cosmetic, but the way she presents herself gracefully, and you know, she is doing her work. She is not, you know, robbing anybody. She is sincerely earning her own livelihood. That confidence shows on her face. That simplicity shows on her face. That love for the mud, you know, as a farmer, shows on her face. So beauty can be explicitly shown in every level. I always feel the whole universe is the most beautiful creation which God has given. And if I am given an opportunity to just enhance a bit little, I think that is the most beautiful thing. And in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, wherever there is creativity, I'm there.
Wow.
So beauty is nothing but creativity. So suppose if I'm into the field of creativity, I think Krishna is getting the work done from me. I mean, what more benefit would I love in my life? Because through karma, I'm depositing the most beautiful karma of life. And when you beautify someone, they smile. When they smile, they are happy. When they're happy, their home is happy. When the home is happy, the city is happy, the town is happy, the world is happy, the universe is happy. So, towards from beauty, if I can contribute to happiness of somebody, I mean, that is the greatest karma I would deposit. And that is so easy and beautiful.
Wow, it's, you know, ma'am, it's simply beautiful. You know, the way you are, you know, define the beauty, I think it's so precious. You know, for me also, you know, it's very new concept, the new way you are, you know, the launching the define of the beauty. And as you spoken, right, beauty is a creativity, you know, the beauty is a happiness. I think मुझे लगता है मैम कि बहुत कम लोग है, you know, they can feel sometimes, you know, आज के भी दौर में मैंने देखा है मैम, lot of you know, sometimes women, you know, they are completely engaged, you know, at their home, and that time, you know, sometimes they forgo to taking care of themselves. So in that matter, ma'am, how you can, you know, give any message for them, because sometimes, you know, ladies का ये कहना होता है कि मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, या फिर, you know, ये तो मैं तो नेचुरली ठीक हूँ, या फिर मैं कुछ भी लगाऊँ तो, you know, साइड इफेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, you know, because they have lot of, you know, that plus and minus, you know, that misperception about the beauty. So can you please throw light on that part, ma'am, how we can, you know, analyze these things, you know, it's really working for everyone or not, or how we should take care with our kitchen and, you know, as a woman at home?
According to me, beauty is distributed in various pillars. The first pillar is skincare. Second pillar is healthcare. Third pillar is emotional care. Fourth pillar is mind care. And fifth pillar is soul care.
Super.
And the last one, yes, finance also. Because if you're independent, then you can do many things, you know, small things which you can buy for yourself. Right. So this is how the beauty is standing on pillars. Now, when I started thinking about it, I came up with one mission. Mission Beauty Sundar Mi Honar Rats. So what is this mission beauty? So I want to give this knowledge to the women about 30 age group. See, the middle-aged women are the one, basically when you are young, you look fabulous, you have time to take care because you're financially, you know, your finances are taken care by your parents. Then second part, the woman gets married and then the new house adjustment with that, and still that newly married thing, you know, you still take care. Then comes the phase where you have children and then you get lost because children, family, husband, in-laws, you just forget all that is there and you become a sacrificing figure. And you sacrifice the whole time of yours to them. And then when the children grow up at the middle age, you realize, my God, my aging has set in. My wrinkles have come up. My gray hair is popping out. My dark circles are seen, because that is the time when you have time for yourself, because children have grown up, husband is busy with his profession, now is the time you start looking into the mirror, start re-evaluating your life. So at this stage, I want to take this woman into the different realm of beauty. I would say they should play a second inning of their life beautifully. So for this, I came up with Mission Beauty Sundarmi Honarats. What am I going to give in this? See, we have a Facebook page. We have got a Facebook group. So any woman who's interested to reinvent herself in a beautiful way can simply send me a request and we will make you join. That's one thing. Second thing, I'm a YouTuber. So I have a YouTube channel by name Dr. Smita Zakote. So I have 170 videos posted on this since last 4 years, where I give various tips from face wash to moisturizer to sunscreen, everything. And now we have started with hair care series. So simply whenever you have time, log in, listen to it. And if you still don't understand, send me a question on the YouTube and I shall answer you. Yeah. That's a second thing. The third thing is we have launched a course by name Ageless Beauty. So beauty has no age. It is ageless. It's timeless and ageless. So at any stage of your life, you can stay beautiful. So at this stage, I consider myself beautiful. So the same thing, I want each woman to consider herself. So in next 3 years, I would like to make 1 lakh women beautiful. Now, is it possible sitting in Sholapur in the clinic, how many clients am I going to see? So I thought, let me go online, and I have launched this 6 weeks course where every Sunday I take a class. These pillars which I spoke to, I teach on each pillar every week. And the 6th week, I take a feedback as to what changes is happening. And wow. Whenever you have a teacher, you have to report to a teacher. Obviously, what happens? You will miss 1 day, you'll miss 2nd day, you'll miss 3rd day. 4th day, you will feel shy. My God, I need to report. Super. And once you start reporting, that will become your habit. And once it becomes your habit, that will become your destiny.
Superb, ma'am. It's really beautiful. The way you are speaking, ma'am, it's like, the fabulous. The explain the pillar of beauty, in the 4 area, it was like super, ma'am. So ma'am, my next question to you, like, you're speaking about like, the education part, right? You have your own platform, Mission Beauty Sundarmi Honarats, right? And another part is, the Ageless Beauty course, right? So Ageless Beauty course is the part of your mission, or it's something different?
It's a part of the mission only.
Okay.
See, there are many women who will be able to join this particular Ageless Beauty group specifically, because see, you have different classes of people who would like to join. Some would just take some home care tips and follow themselves at home. But some would like to become a MD or a PhD in that particular field. So if you want to become PhD, you need to be constantly in the person who's motivating you to reach you. See, it's like, having a ambassador car and you are driving it yourself, or you are having a Tesla car. So when you are given a Tesla car, you only put a destination from Sundarmi Honarats to Sundarmi Ahets. So I will take you in that Tesla car in 6 weeks. It took me 13 years to learn these things. See, it's not only, if I was only purely a dermatologist, I would teach you, okay, apply sunscreen, apply moisturizer, apply vitamin C lotion, apply anti-aging cream, drink good water, drink antioxidant take antioxidant tablets, and that would be my basic regimen as a dermatologist. But I am much more beyond that. And let me tell you, such kind of course on beauty is still not launched anywhere in this world. This is a first of its kind, a course which takes you to the level of soul.
Superb.
None of the dermatologists ever have launched a course which not only crosses skin, but it is health, it is mind, it is, heart, emotions, and its soul. And this all I learned through my life, and I started working on myself. And that's how I learned that these are the pillars which I worked. And introspectively, when I started writing, one day, 4:30 early morning, I just got up and it was like a divine signal, write something. And then I just wrote a blog. And then online Swarajya, Ketan sir told me, why don't you convert this into a booklet? So it became a booklet. The booklet is ebook, My Life a Masterpiece, where I tell you 7 amazing rituals, and you can buy that book at only $2.99 ebook.
Super.
So simply, even if you don't want to join the course, you just buy the book and you can understand what I do.
Superb, superb, ma'am. It's very beautiful, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing I want to ask you here, like, you are giving the treatment as well, and you are providing the education as well, right, ma'am? It's a combined thing, right?
Yes.
Yes. So I want to, ask you one more thing. You're speaking right now about your book, right? So, the about book, I want to ask you, if I really don't want to join the course and if I just took your book, so it is enough for me, or, what the milestone I would be achieve, with your course, and, rather than the book, like, sometimes लोग ये सोचते हैं कि यार मुझे बुक मिल रहा है तो मुझे कोर्स करने की क्या जरूरत है, but I feel personally, ma'am, the way you are speaking and the way you are providing the system in terms of beauty is not an easy thing. It's just aapne bola, right? You have a lot of experience in that particular field and you're sharing with people. I think, can you please make that difference, for the all ladies, or better might be, beauty ki definition to sabke liye common hai, ma'am. So how you would be define, the system based education and the book, because if you really want to see other YouTube channel or book, people getting easy tips from the, the YouTube or book, or from the books, right? But how you would be defined, your course, it should be a different, rather than this, like, the other tips and other YouTube channel and from the books.
Yes. See, there is umpteen information in this whole Google. I mean, there is no limit to it. But what will you do? Today you will take a tip of applying turmeric paste. Tomorrow there is a different tip to apply a toothpaste. Third day there is a tip of applying neem paste.
Super.
What if you land up with a reaction? Is there somebody to really guide you? Or can you reach the person who has launched the YouTube and tell, boss, I have this reaction, how do I handle it?
True.
See, and once you land up with reaction, you need somebody. You need an authentic person to guide you through that situation, to really help, because our skin is the most beautiful organ. Super. And you should not damage it. Right. Give it in the safe hand, just like a child. Would you ever give your child to an unknown person?
Never.
It's the same way with your skin, with your body. I mean, whenever I sit as a consultant on my chair in my clinic, I realize God has, this person who's sitting opposite me is relying and trusting me so much with his body, with his skin, with his beauty, and such a great responsibility on my shoulder to really take him safely from destination 1 to destination B. And I take that responsibility. If you buy the book, you may understand the tips, but then you'll have to walk the path on your own. So if you walk the path on your own, it may take 1 day, it may take 1 year, it may take 10 years to reach there.
Super.
But what is the difference in the course? It is purely 6 weeks. You are tailor-made, a boutique specially treatment, because we know what is your skin. So I will guide you what you have to use. So even if you're not in India, even if you're abroad, if I could tell you the contents to be used, you can at least go and do that.
Superb.
And that basic principle, if something goes wrong, I'm here to help you out. And that is the major problem when it comes to skin. Many women I see are really very sensitive about it. And if a rash happens, it is a panic button.
Right.
I have handled many such cases. I have handled one such real story I would like to say. There was a lady who was getting a perming done. And unfortunately, the chemical was too strong. And no sooner that perming lotion was applied, her whole hair fell off.
Oh my God.
The whole thing. And it was such, she went into a bad reaction. We got her admitted. We had to give her DEXA. We had to give her all that IV management to bring her to normal. So this is quite common in the plethora of a huge chemical ocean. Are you really ready to trust the chemical ocean? I do agree. You have branded things, but it's an ocean of chemicals. do you know what type of skin you have?
Absolutely.
I think you need a trusted teacher to guide you through this journey. And it's a short journey. See, I took 13 years to learn. Imagine being a skin specialist. It took me 13 years to understand these pillars. So how do you expect me to, give you in a platter and you are going to understand it?
Superb,
Many
superb,
times,
ma'am.
my
Superb.
patient comes with a list of questions. And then I say, it took me 13 years to enter here. Do you expect me to transfer in 13 minutes? It's
No,
just not
but
possible.
not possible, ma'am. True, 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 ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I think, today a lot of ladies, get the clarity, how they can difference, because it's not an easy. And that's why we are saying, right? Everybody's, having a God at home. Still people are going to the temple, right? Without, the GPS, you cannot drive the car, right? If you, until and unless you don't know your destination, how you can drive, right? So you perfectly answer, ma'am, and thank you so much, throwing light on that part, basically, because sometimes people have a lot of confusion and they are, choosing here and there. And I personally, as a beauty consultant and as a beautician, I completely relate with you, ma'am, because I saw many times, the people don't have knowledge, about their skin. If if they are talking, sometimes they're speaking, we are using the home remedies, but if you take the turmeric, it will not suit to everyone, right? It's depend on their skin, the texture and skin type. And you perfectly said, ma'am, I think Google is a search engine, is not research engine, and I think we need to understand that part. And thank you so much, adding so much values in our life and many ladies too. So, ma'am, my next question to you, I want to ask you here, ma'am, as a the ladies, or being a doctor, or being, that single mother, ma'am, how you reach at this level, because I know it's not an easy, right? There is always ups and down, in normal journey as well. But with your own daughter, as a single mother, how you achieve all these milestones, ma'am? And how's your experience in that journey being a lady, ma'am? Please, we love to hear from you.
I always define my life as an ECG.
Oh,
ECG is your heartbeat, it
I-
goes down, up, down, up. So I always define my life as an ECG. And I'm a winner in my life. That's how that's why my book name is also My Life a Masterpiece. So I call myself as a masterpiece. And eventually you should always have some nights, you should have some days, you should have all kinds of things. Only then your personality comes out like a diamond. So it was a 14 years bad marriage, and then next 10 years of court cases. I had no money. I had no job for 1 year. I went into inner search of meaning of life. I went into spiritual aspect, and that gave me that inner core strength that I want to live. There was a point when I wanted to commit suicide, but God had destined something else for me. I had to sit here on this global empowerment platform today to motivate people. So that's how it is. So each one of us goes through different phases. It could be abusive marriage, it could be abusive parents, it could be financial loss, it could be loss of loved ones, it could be something. I mean, nobody's life is, beautiful garden. It has to have some thorns. So what is my perspective is, it is the attitude that you hold on. And if you get into the inner core of self-search, the meaning of life, and instead of saying, why me? We always, whenever we are faced with crisis, you say, why me? Then you should say, why not me? Because I'm getting a diamond out of it. So every crisis that comes into my life, I say, yes, Smita, this is meant to bring the diamond out of you. That's my self-talk. And I think so every woman should do that self-talk, saying the worse the crisis, the best you're going to come out of it. So just remember one sentence, the diamond is being chiseled. And talk to yourself, look into the mirror and talk to yourself.
oh,
That's what I do.
oh my God.
And then this journey, I have won the cases because the truth always stands and justice always is there. So just remember, at the end of these difficulties, truth and justice is always with you. So if you're on the right path of life, remember, success is going to touch your feet. I would say success is going to kiss you, or success is going to run behind you. My father always said, don't run behind money and success, let them run behind you.
Absolutely true.
Make yourself strong and capable that people fall in love with you.
Superb, superb, ma'am. Superb, superb. I think you have really great journey, ma'am. I think today you are being, as a lady, as a woman, as an entrepreneur, inspiration for a lot of people, ma'am. And ma'am, before end up with these sessions, I like to one message to from you to all ladies and the people think about the beauty sometimes, and I know you have that everything, you can change the people perception about the beauty. So what message do you want to give to men and women, both of them? Because a lot of time I personally saw, ma'am, the husband not motivate to wife. Some husbands are not like that, but some husband are like very typical, why you are spending money here and there, why you are using this and that product. They are comparing with their old, like the mom and that grandma, the today's situation and today's generation. So what can you suggest, for that kind of mindset, and that kind of people, ma'am, so they can understand, right? It's a beautiful, the beauty is not only for the, like something like, the artificial thing. It's a, like, it's a inner beauty, it's a natural things, if we need to have it, and it's today's need, ma'am. So what you want to say about, in that perception?
Uh, Basically, whether it is a man or a woman, man is handsome and woman is beautiful. And our soul lives in this beautiful body. So if we love ourselves, I think we should take care of our body, isn't it? Very basic question. Simply ask yourself when you look into the mirror, do I love myself? And please fall in love with yourself, because you've got a human body. That's the most precious thing that you would get. 84 84 लक्ष योनी नंतर माणसाचा जन्म होतो. तुम्ही आज डुक्कर असू शकला असता, तुम्ही आज कुत्रा असू शकला असता, तुम्ही आज पाल असू शकला असता, तुम्ही काही पण असू शकला असतात, पण तुम्हाला भगवंतानी माणसाचा जन्म दिलाय. गॉड हॅज मेड यू ह्युमन बीइंग आफ्टर so much of painstaking journeys of various levels, and you have come to this level where your soul is wearing a beautiful ornament, that is human body.
Superb.
And simply love yourself, because in your soul God is residing. So wherever God resides, you keep the temple clean, isn't it? The same way you keep your house clean, the way you keep your car clean. You ask anybody, how you always give your car for servicing. What is that? I mean, why do you give it for servicing? The same thing, your body also requires servicing. So what is servicing? Servicing is just giving a light massage to your face, applying a moisturizer, applying a sunscreen, applying an anti-aging cream, pampering yourself, falling in love with yourself. I mean, everybody should do it, whether it is a man or whether it is a woman, whether it is a child, whether it is an old lady. I mean, age is no bar, gender is also no bar, even money is no bar. If you are financially lowest possible thing, you could use simple home remedies.
Super.
You could apply. How do you prepare a vitamin C lotion? Take aloe vera and take orange cover, dry that cover, sieve that powder, mix it with aloe vera cream, which is available in your garden, and just apply the vitamin C. If you have a tomato in your house, which you're going to eat, cut it and just give a massage. If you have a cucumber, give it a massage. Some mild agent, just a curd application, but just pamper. See, like a child, each one has a child hidden inside. If you ask even, a male who's, strong and well built, if you go in front of his mother, if you treat, even if you're his wife, if you treat like a mother to him, and the child in him comes out.
Super. True.
So this is how you will have to tell him that your mother was dressed in her ways. In those days, she was not a working woman. She had only the work to take care of the home front. So you never know in the kitchen what all remedies she did, because she had time. And those days, women used to sleep by 7:38. So as soon as sunset is done, so they got enough sleep. Tell me, the present generation women, do they have that much time to sleep? They are career women. They are home front women. They are and social women. They are your wife who's attending all the parties and all your meetings as well. So at which front she is less? And does she get her quality time to sleep? And apart from that, she is cooking like your mother as well. So she is taking extra responsibility in this scenario of 20th century. So does she need some amount of pampering herself? Does she need a day out for herself? Yes.
Yes.
Both of y'all need a day out. Both of y'all. Because if you want that romance to thrive, then definitely you need to take care of each other and your skin and keep the love alive within you.
Super, fantastic, ma'am. I think, you changed today, so many lives, you changed the people perception, how they're looking in terms of beauty and health. आई थिंक एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू मैम. मैंने भी ये बहुत पहले बहुत बार मैंने ये बातें सुनी है कि जैसे आपको बॉडी चलाने के लिए जैसे पेट को खाना चाहिए वैसे आपकी स्किन को भी खाना चाहिए. आई थिंक एंड इट्स अ साइंस. बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बोली. और एक मैंने एक जगह पे सुना था, इफ योर प्रॉपर्टी इज लॉस नथिंग इज लॉस, बट योर हेल्थ एंड स्किन इज लॉस एवरीथिंग इज लॉस. एंड आई थिंक perfectly, you what can I say, you stole the show, ma'am, today. And the way you are speaking, the way you are interacting, it's phenomenal. I think, we are not just learning today from you to, how to take care of our skin and beauty and health, but apart from that, I personally learned from you to how to interact with people, how you convey your own message to, so deliver your message so people can feel and, getting that, that personal touch. Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, my last question to you. Yes, it's always, it's my pleasure and honor to invite you here, but what you want to say about this platform? This is like, it's my dream come true, because multiple faculties, multiple people are coming and sharing their knowledge, pouring their heart. And I think today you are like, it's a real diamond. I can see, I can see my eyes, and I can feel from my heart. So, what you want to, speak about this platform. This is the small journey which I started, before few days ago. So what you want to say about this platform, ma'am?
See, Darshana, each one of us chosen for a particular role, and you have been chosen to empower women globally. So, you have been given the greatest responsibility to get the chiseled diamonds on your show, so that the women can just learn from the show. Today, you never know, there must be some lady who has been abused by a husband, or you don't know if there is one lady who's seeing this video who's in depressed mood, or you never know a lady who's bugged up with her life. Enough is enough, man. How much do I need to take care of the whole family? Do I have my life or no? I mean, if she is listening to it, you never know who is getting motivated out of this beautiful video. And that great task has been given to you by your Guru Sri Swami Samarth. And definitely in this beautiful path of presenting the wonderful women to empower them globally is a most beautiful thing. And in this way, you are going to deposit the greatest karma of your life. So you can expect something beautiful coming up in your next life journey as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think, you stole my heart today. I think it's true. It's a blessing from God, my family, my well-wishers, and the people like you coming in my life and, impacting my life. And the very important, ma'am, I really want to be, not only just, help, with this session, but I really want to, to help personally, because, we understand, ma'am, right? Why, like, how's our past, right? How's our ups and down, and, our experience. We learn a lot of things, and the things we missed in our life, we really want to give to other people. No matter, like, ma'am, and I personally, I really want to share here one thing. Not only women's, but, for me, multiple times, as a beauty expert, lot of people calling me, like, boys basically. जैसे जैसे मेरी सिस्टर का लड़का है, या फिर जैसे मेरा नेफ्यू है, मेरा कजन है. Sometimes they like to ask me कि दीदी, what can I, apply on my skin, because lot of acne there, lot of pimple there. And I think मुझे लगता है कि वो टाइम पे उनके लिए वो हेल्प भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. मतलब लेडीज के लिए नहीं, ये प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू जिस भी क्षेत्र में, जो भी लेडी को जो भी हेल्प चाहिए, वी लव टू पोर आवर हार्ट। एंड जैसे आपने बताया कि यस, ये सेशन के थ्रू मोटिवेशन तो एक है, लेकिन व्हाट आई फील मैम पर्सनली, whenever I see that kind of session, I literally taking my diary and my notes and I write it down, and that's how I become today. So I think it's really every time, ये जरूरी नहीं कि आपको कोई हाथ पकड़ के सिखाए, बट ये स्मॉल स्मॉल सेशन जिनको लेना है ना, वो लोग लेके ही रहते, लाइक that's how I was and that's how I am today. And bus, thank you so much once again. And yes, before wind up this session, ma'am, do you want to say anything about any single message or any single line, anything?
Simply love yourself. That's it. Everything will fall in place.
सुपर सुपर मॅम, खूप खूप छान वाटलं आज तुमच्याशी गप्पा मारून, खूप मज्जा आली. आणि मला वाटतं आपल्याला भरभरून खूप खूप महिलांना, जब तुमचं जे मिशन ब्युटी सुंदर मी होणारच, आय थिंक मला असं वाटतं आता खूप खूप लेडीज अशा तयार असतील की वेन आय गेट दॅट ऍडमिशन अँड इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मी टू, आय लव्ह टू टेक युअर विजडम मॅम, अँड आय लव्ह टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू. And thank you so much for coming here, adding so much value in our life. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless.
Most welcome, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.